Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the app updated and the problematic video ready. Once that's done, open TikTok and go straight to the video or profile where the pinch to zoom happens. Tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon to reach settings. This gets you into the controls quickly. Make sure you're logged in because some privacy and accessibility options only appear when signed in. From here, we will disable gestures or change playback controls to stop the zoom, so don't skip the next step. Once in settings, tap accessibility or gestures. These hold the specific toggles that control pinch to zoom and double tap zoom. You should disable both pinch and double tap options. Doing so prevents accidental scale changes during playback. If TikTok lacks those toggles, use your device's accessibility shortcuts, disable magnification, or set gesture sensitivity lower. Also check in-app playback controls. Sometimes an update moves zoom options under video settings, so make sure to search there before proceeding to the final. After changing settings, save and fully restart TikTok so the new preferences take effect. This prevents cached behavior from persisting. Then test by playing multiple videos and deliberately pinching and double tapping to confirm the zoom is gone. If zooming persists, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. This resets corrupted preference files. Finally, make sure your OS-level magnification isn't enabled. If problems continue, contact TikTok support with your device model and app version so they can investigate further.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.